Hey guys, welcome back. And today I do have this 2019 Mazda CX-5 and it's here for this multifunction switch replacement. Stay tuned. Well, that's pretty simple. So it's like the connector over there. And it took me like probably not even a minute. So here is the new one. And I believe this is the part number. And you look at that. Made in the Philippines. Mabuhay! I'm actually from the Philippines. I was born and raised there, and I was there for 22 years before I moved here. It's nice to see something like this made in the Philippines. All right, guys, so it's in now, and it seems like everything is working. I'm not sure what to verify here because I didn't diagnose it, but I did talk to my service advisor, and they said the rear wiper blade is not working. So right now we have the new one installed, and the rear wiper blade is actually working. All right, so I think we fixed the problem. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.